How to send photos in TikTok messages. To send pictures on TikTok messages, first of all, what you need to do is launch your TikTok application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then, you cannot directly send messages to the user, but what you can do is you can upload a photo as a video or TikTok video in private mode and then send that to the particular user. For that, first of all, hit on the plus button and select the gallery icon and select the photo that you want to send to the TikTok message. Now simply hit on the next. From here, again hit on the next and simply do post. And make sure that it is on the private mode. Once you have posted, you can simply share this to the particular user you want to by hitting on the three dots. You can also send it to them or any other application. In this way, you can easily send photos in TikTok messages. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.